Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our Full Sail University account. So let's get started. So to log into your Full Sail University account, what you can do is just open up your browser. After opening up your browser, in search bar you can search for Full Sail University login. And after searching for Full Sail University login, now what you can do is just scroll down and then tap on this second option which says FOS login Full Sail University. And after tapping on that, now you can just tap on login. And now in order to log into your Full Sail University's account, what you can do is just simply enter your email address, and after entering your email address you have to enter your password. So after entering your email address and password, now what you can do is just tap on login, and after tapping on login you'll successfully log into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your Full Sail University account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.